How to assemble the machine. Part 1. Prepare the assemble tools. 2 picks table legs, 4 picks fixed plate, universal and fixed wheels, a pack of screws, plastic pad, wrench. Part 2. Assemble steps. Step 1. Assemble the stand. All legs holes face inside. Match the 4 fixed plates. Prepare the screws. Connect the legs and the fixed plate with screws. Fix the screws with wrench. Step 2. Install wheels. Fix the universal wheel with screws. Install fixed wheels. Make the fixed wheel lower than the universal wheel. Fix the universal wheels. Adjust fixed wheels. Step 3. Put machine on stand. Put the plastic gasket on the stand. Put machine on the table. Step 4. Fix the machine. Fix with 2 screws. Complete.